summary question. We'll first read the paragraph, summarize it in our own words, identify the main points, and then look at the summaries, the options. Whichever option is closest to our summary is the correct option. Any option which mentions something outside, which has not been stated in the passage, is not a correct option. A partial summary cannot be called correct. Or that means if the passage mentions 4 main points or 4 very crucial points, if the passage mentions only 2, the summary mentions only 2, it's not correct. Then any option that twists the words used in the passage to mean something else obviously is not a correct summary. So using these rules, let's read question 17. In this day and age, good storytelling is more necessary but riskier than ever before. So now we need good storytelling. We need it more than before, but it's more necessary. It's also more risky. Why? Particularly when it comes to science, we need good storytelling. But it's also riskier. Particularly when it comes to the area of science. Why? Science informs medical, environmental, legal, and many other public decisions, as well as our personal opinions on what to be wary about and how to lead our lives. Science plays an important part in our public and private decisions. It guides us. We are guided by science in both public and private decisions. All right. Important societal and individual actions depend on our best understanding of the world around us now more than ever, with the plague of all our houses, with the plague in all our houses, and worst yet to come with climate change. We need science. Okay. We are guided by science in our public and private decisions. Our important societal and individual actions also depend on our understanding of science, especially because we are dealing with problems such as climate change and many other problems. Okay. Therefore, we need good storytelling, especially in the form of science, but it's also especially in science, but it's also riskier. All right, because science is so important to us in every aspect. All right. These are the 3 main points. We need good storytellers in science as it increases our understanding of science, which is imperative now more than ever. All right. What does it miss out? Misses out the riskier part, misses out why we need science more than ever. Correct? So it's incomplete. Good storytelling makes science easier to understand, and a good understanding of science is necessary now more than ever. Good, but it also doesn't tell us anything about riskier. Our understanding, storytelling is good. It helps increase your understanding of science, which is important in our lives, but it's also riskier because you're depending so much on science. So you're depending a lot on the way it is told, your understanding of science. So it is because science is more important in our lives. Good storytelling is important for us to understand science, but because of its importance, that storytelling also becomes riskier, is what the author is saying. Good storytelling in science is necessary, though riskier now, as important actions on problems depend on our best understanding of science. Seems like a good summary. Let's look at D. Good storytelling is necessary in this day and age to take proper actions at an individual and societal level. Same thing, doesn't talk about the risk factor. Therefore, the best option which mentions the risk factor is C. Maybe later in the paragraph, which we haven't given, which we haven't been given, he will talk about why it is riskier.